Good evening. Today I did one video regarding how to use phone as webcam. So here I'm just using an IP webcam, an IP webcam or internet protocol webcam, a small device that can be mounted or hidden. They are often used for surveillance and can capture footage in high definition and all. So here now I'm going to do one simple video. Everyone is aware, but the students who don't know, who want to know, I'm just showing small video. See here, I opened this Google Play Store and then IP webcam, and I typed as IP webcam and installing the IP webcam in Android. It's almost to be complete. And I'm opening Google Chrome in computer, and there I'm going to type as, see, this is very useful, and many of them are aware of this, but for those whom they don't know how to do and all, for them I'm doing this small video. And see here, you can see IP webcam and allow sign script only, install fetching and plugins, okay, local broadcasting and HTTP login password, okay. IP webcam settings are there, and okay, local broadcasting. So here in Google Chrome I'm typing as IP address, I'm typing there. Directly you have to give your IP address and enter. IP address I gave over there. Address is friendly employed to establish and master access for router. So I copied, and in new tab I'm pasting it. Here we have to give our IP address. And here you can see it has been connected. Android webcam server. Now I am going to do some settings, and you can see dual in Android and here in system. I'm just giving changing the settings and all. IP webcam, recorder control, no audio. Okay, browser. See here, I am changing some settings. Enabled wave areas, more detection, two-way audio. IP webcam, home, video archive, video chat drives, other viewing methods. So hope video is good, found somewhat informative. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.